Welcome back to part 3 of our market tracking series. In parts 1 and 2, we looked at how the recent drop in interest rates might start showing up in Southwest Florida real estate activity. Today, we're focusing on active inventory because it's still too soon to see the full impact reflected in closings, which usually takes 30 days or more. Inventory is often the first signal of change. Here's what the numbers are showing us this week across key markets. Naples, active inventory is at 2,168 homes, down about 2%. Even with fewer listings, demand looks strong. Closed sales rose nearly 15%, and the median sales price climbed to $817,500. Up 13.5%. Days on market dropped sharply, down 31% to 71 days, showing buyers are moving quickly in this luxury market. Fort Myers and Fort Myers Beach, inventory softened to about 1,622 homes, down about 2.3%. Median days on the market climbed to 62, while the price per square foot moved up slightly to $227. Estero, inventory held steady at 342 homes, but closed sales dropped dramatically, down over 50% to just 8 closings. Despite the slowdown, the median days on the market fell to 57, suggesting priced right homes are still moving. Cape Coral, with 2,501 homes on the market, inventory dipped slightly, but activity is holding. There were 97 closed sales, and the median price is at 350,000, with days on the market up modestly to 66. Bonita Springs. This high price market posted a median sales price of 750,000. Inventory is down slightly at 405 homes with new listings up 22%. Even here, activity is mixed with closed sales down by 19 homes. Now, typically, higher price markets like Naples, Estero, or Bonita Springs are less sensitive to interest rate swings. But here in Florida, where many buyers are purchasing second homes, there is a unique mix of buyers, and some are second home buyers, which are more rate sensitive. It is also important to remember this is just a high level snapshot. We're still in hurricane season, which always slows activity. Once we get into November, we should see if the seasonal change is greater than last year's seasonal change. And if it is, the difference is likely due, at least in part, to the decreasing rates. The takeaway for now is inventory is tightening in several markets, like in places like Naples. Demand looks to be picking up quickly after the rate drop. We'll keep tracking these numbers each week to see how this trend develops. If you want to see the next part, where we'll watch whether these changes start to show up in closing data, make sure to subscribe and follow along.